What does a motorcycle accident lawyer do? A motorcycle accident lawyer specializes in legal cases related to motorcycle accidents. When should I hire a motorcycle accident lawyer? Hire a motorcycle accident lawyer when you're involved in a motorcycle accident and need legal assistance. Can a motorcycle accident lawyer help me if I'm injured in a motorcycle accident? Yes, they can help you seek compensation for injuries from a motorcycle accident. What types of cases do motorcycle accident lawyers handle? They handle cases involving motorcycle collisions, injuries, property damage, and seeking compensation from negligent parties. Do I need a lawyer for a motorcycle accident insurance claim? Having a lawyer ensures your rights are protected and you receive fair compensation in a motorcycle accident insurance claim. Can a motorcycle accident lawyer assist with hit-and-run motorcycle accidents? Yes, they can help you navigate the legal process after a hit-and-run motorcycle accident. What should I do immediately after a motorcycle accident? Seek medical attention, report the accident, gather evidence, and consult a motorcycle accident lawyer. Can a motorcycle accident lawyer handle cases involving motorcycle manufacturer defects? Yes, they can handle cases involving accidents caused by motorcycle defects. Can a motorcycle accident lawyer help with proving liability in a motorcycle accident? Yes, they can investigate, gather evidence, and help establish liability in a motorcycle accident. Can a motorcycle accident lawyer represent me in court if needed? Yes, a motorcycle accident lawyer can represent you in court for motorcycle accident-related cases. What sets a top-tier motorcycle accident lawyer apart? A top-tier lawyer has experience, a successful track record, and deep knowledge of motorcycle accident law. Can a motorcycle accident lawyer handle cases involving motorcycle road hazards? Yes, they can handle legal matters involving accidents caused by road hazards for motorcyclists. Can a motorcycle accident lawyer help if I'm in a multi-vehicle motorcycle accident? Yes, they can help you seek compensation in multi-vehicle motorcycle accidents. Can a motorcycle accident lawyer assist with motorcycle lane splitting accidents? Yes, they can handle cases involving accidents caused by lane splitting. Can a motorcycle accident lawyer handle cases involving motorcycle passenger injuries? Yes, they can handle legal matters involving injuries to motorcycle passengers. Can a motorcycle accident lawyer help with motorcycle DUI accidents? Yes, they can handle cases involving motorcycle accidents caused by DUI. Can a motorcycle accident lawyer help with motorcycle hit by car cases? Yes, they can handle cases involving motorcycles hit by cars. Can a motorcycle accident lawyer assist with motorcycle rear-end accidents? Yes, they can handle legal matters involving motorcycle rear-end accidents. Can a motorcycle accident lawyer handle cases involving motorcycle personal injury claims? Yes, they can handle personal injury claims resulting from motorcycle accidents. Can a motorcycle accident lawyer help with motorcycle fatalities? Yes, they can handle cases involving motorcycle fatalities and seek compensation for the victim's family. Can a motorcycle accident lawyer handle cases involving motorcycle insurance disputes? Yes, they can help resolve insurance disputes involving motorcycle accidents. Can a motorcycle accident lawyer assist with motorcycle property damage claims? Yes, they can handle legal matters involving motorcycle property damage claims. Can a motorcycle accident lawyer help with motorcycle road rage incidents? Yes, they can handle cases involving motorcycle accidents caused by road rage. Can a motorcycle accident lawyer help with motorcycle injuries due to road defects? Yes, they can handle cases involving accidents caused by road defects affecting motorcyclists. Can a motorcycle accident lawyer handle cases involving motorcycle intersection accidents? Yes, they can handle legal matters involving motorcycle accidents at intersections. Can a motorcycle accident lawyer help with motorcycle accidents caused by distracted drivers? Yes, they can handle cases involving motorcycle accidents caused by distracted drivers. Can a motorcycle accident lawyer handle cases involving motorcycle accidents due to speeding? Yes, they can handle cases involving motorcycle accidents caused by speeding. Can a motorcycle accident lawyer help with motorcycle accidents involving commercial vehicles? Yes, they can handle cases involving motorcycle accidents with commercial vehicles. Can a motorcycle accident lawyer assist with motorcycle accidents involving Uber or Lyft drivers? Yes, they can handle cases involving motorcycle accidents with rideshare drivers. Can a motorcycle accident lawyer help with motorcycle accidents caused by road debris? Yes, they can handle legal matters involving motorcycle accidents caused by road debris. Can a motorcycle accident lawyer assist with motorcycle accidents involving pedestrians? Yes, they can handle cases involving motorcycle accidents with pedestrians. Can a motorcycle accident lawyer help with motorcycle accidents involving animals? Yes, they can handle cases involving motorcycle accidents caused by animals. Can a motorcycle accident lawyer help with motorcycle accidents caused by potholes? Yes, they can handle cases involving motorcycle accidents caused by potholes. Can a motorcycle accident lawyer handle cases involving motorcycle accidents in adverse weather? Yes, they can handle legal matters involving motorcycle accidents in adverse weather conditions. How can I schedule a consultation with the best motorcycle accident lawyer? Contact the attorney's office to schedule a consultation, during which you can discuss your case and get legal advice.